Here's a very quick video on how you can withdraw money from Underdog Fantasy. First, we have to go to the Underdog Fantasy website or open up the app, and then we will just log in with our credentials. The second step will be accessing the withdraw section. So once we have been logged in, we have to navigate to account dashboard or the profile section and look for withdraw or withdraw funds as an option. This should be found in the wallet or account balance section. The third step will be selecting a withdrawal method. So here are the withdrawal methods that Underdog Fantasy offers. So we have PayPal, we have online banking, and credit or debit card. We have to choose the method that works best for us. The fourth step will be entering the withdrawal amount. So type the amount that you want to withdraw and complete the withdrawal request. After entering the amount and selecting your withdrawal method, confirm the withdrawal request, and you may need to verify your identity, so keep that in mind. The sixth step will be waiting for the processing. So withdrawal requests can take some time to process. For PayPal, it's usually faster, but bank transfers can take 3 to 5 days. And things that we need to keep in mind here: ensure that your payment method details are correct to avoid delays. Withdrawal times may vary depending on the method you choose. And we have to review Underdog Fantasy's terms and conditions for any fees and restrictions related to withdrawals. If you have any issues with the withdrawal, you can contact Underdog Fantasy's customer support and they can help you resolve them. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.